It's 11 p.m. The lights are out, the house is quiet, and you're staring at the harsh, flickering glow of your smartphone. Most of us assume the worst penalty for this habit is feeling a little groggy or needing an extra cup of coffee the next morning. But deep inside your brain, a cluster of cells called the master clock doesn't know you're scrolling through social media. Because of the high-intensity blue wavelengths hitting your eyes, your brain registers that the midday sun has just exploded into your bedroom. You are consuming a concentrated artificial environmental signal, what scientists call digital sunlight. This invisible biological confusion is a primary driver of insulin resistance and metabolic collapse. To see how it happens, we have to look at the cascade occurring under your skin. Watch this artificial light travel from the retina, striking the pineal gland deep inside the brain. Normally, this gland pulses steadily, producing melatonin to signal cellular repair. But when blue light hits, it screams daytime. Production shuts down, dropping melatonin by 85%. Your internal clock is completely at the mercy of your light environment. That glowing rectangle easily overrides the actual time on the clock. We need to rethink what melatonin actually does. It is far more than a tool for sleep. It is a critical metabolic antioxidant. Every cell is powered by mitochondria, and these microscopic engines rely on a nightly wash of melatonin to repair daily damage. When screen light suppresses that antioxidant, your body falls back on a secondary response. Your cortisol levels, the chemicals associated with stress, remain highly elevated. With cellular repair stalled and stress hormones circulating, your entire system exits recovery mode and enters a state of metabolic panic, losing its ability to efficiently process energy. Because your brain now firmly believes the sun is up, and your body is under active stress, it shifts gears to prepare for action. Specifically, it starts hoarding fuel. Clinical data shows that sleeping with even dim blue light exposure in the room measurably elevates your resting heart rate throughout the night. This split screen chart illustrates the impact on your blood sugar management. On the left, sleeping in total darkness keeps insulin levels flat and stable. But look at the right side. After a night exposed to screens, those same insulin levels become chaotic and spike erratically. Even if you eventually fall asleep, the light pollution you absorbed has already pushed your body into an inefficient, storage-heavy state for the next morning. You feel the physical evidence of this the moment you wake up after a late-night scroll. Those intense morning cravings for bagels, cereals, and heavy starches are the direct physiological result of the previous night's chaotic insulin spikes. These cravings are a false hunger created by a chemically confused, light-polluted brain, not a lack of willpower. Light acts as nutritional information for ourselves. To reverse the damage, we have to start actively managing our light diet. The first step is anchoring your biological clock. Getting 10 minutes of direct sunlight before 10 a.m. builds your resilience against the artificial screens you encounter in the evening. Next, implement a 2-hour blackout before bed. Turn off the harsh overhead LEDs and switch to warm, amber lighting that mimics a sunset. If you must use a screen late at night, this daily timeline highlights the final safeguard. Wear high-quality blue blocking glasses that filter out 100. Mastering your metabolism starts with mastering your light environment. When you give your body the right signal at the right time, you unlock true biological health.